In this video, I'll be showing you how to get the face tracking on mobile Roblox mobile game. So if you want to get the face tracking, guys, just follow me in this video. As you can see, my face been tracking with my voice, and it's also a face animation there. So you can see it's syncing with my microphone. So how can you do that? So it's a new feature on Roblox, you can try out, and it's amazing feature, everyone is liking it. If you want to enable this, guys, you just follow me in this video. So you need some requirement, we need to meet some requirement before enabling this. So what are those requirements, what I need to do? Just I'm gonna give you full detail in this video, and also I'm going to show you how to enable it or how to turn it. So before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. So let's start the video. To get the face tracking, guys, first of all you have to tap on three dot and go to settings. In setting you have to go to privacy. In privacy you have to scroll down, and this option called microphone input, you have to enable this. Once you enable this option, the beta features will be enabled in the game itself. You just need to basically you just need to enable the face cam and the microphone in the game itself, and once you enable, the face tracking will start. But before that, you also do need to do one more thing. First of all, you have to tap on your avatar, this avatar icon, tap on it. So to get the face tracking, your face must be animated. So to get the face animated, you have to tap on customize. In customize, you have to tap on head and body. In head and body, just keep it on the keep on the style tab. In style tab, we usually have an animated face, so you can download this face. It is free of cost, both are free of cost. So you can also get the face dynamic more face, like these are the faces, but it comes with some the robux. So you have to spend robux. If you don't have, you can try these free ones, and just select the one first. I really like this the chiseled good looks. Just select this one, and once you select, now you are ready to go. So let me select this one as well. So it doesn't give you the complete complete face animation, but by using this style you will get the full. You can see that it is blinking his eyes as well. So once you're done with this, you just need to open any game, but to make sure that the game also supports the microphone and the camera itself. So if you want to know how if the game supports microphone or camera, if you want to check how can you do that, you just need to open the game, open the page of the game, and in the communication you see these things: microphone and camera. If these options are there in communication section, then it supports face tracking. So just need to open the game and play it. And once you enter the game, guys, just tap on the Roblox icon at the top left. Just tap on it, and you will get the microphone and the face cam option. Just enable it. So these are the top two options are given at the top. Let me mark it if you can't see. Let me change the color. So yeah, these are the two things you have to enable to get the face tracking. And once you've done this, just you can see that it start face tracking with my voice, and if you and allow the camera as well, it will start face tracking with your face gesture. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.